Welcome to this meditation to magnetize success and manifest your best life, unleashing your true potential. Let's begin by entering a state of deep relaxation to maximize our ability to magnetize success and manifest our ultimate life. You can practice this meditation anywhere, in any position that feels comfortable for you. I recommend sitting up straight, standing tall, or lying down flat on your back. Take a moment to settle into a position that allows you to feel both relaxed and alert. Be proud of yourself for taking this time for self-care. You deserve this moment of peace and reflection. Gently close your eyes, allowing the outside world to fade away. Begin by relaxing your shoulders, letting them drop away from your ears. Release any tension in your legs, allowing them to feel heavy and supported. Let your arms become loose and free. Soften the muscles in your face, releasing any tension in your jaw or around your eyes. Bring your awareness to your breath. Notice the natural rhythm of your inhalations and exhalations. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Imagine you're inhaling pure, positive energy. As you exhale, let go of any stress or anxiety. Take another deep breath in through your nose, inhaling abundance. And exhale, releasing scarcity. Continue this pattern, breathing in positivity and releasing negativity. With each breath, you become more relaxed, more centered, more at peace. Imagine a warm, golden light surrounding you, filling you with a sense of calm and security. This light represents your infinite potential, your ability to create the life you desire. As you breathe in, see this light growing brighter and more vibrant. As you exhale, feel it spreading throughout your entire body. You are successful. You are happy. You are exactly where you want to be. All worries and concerns have melted away. Visualize yourself standing at the edge of a vast, beautiful landscape. This landscape represents your ideal life, filled with success, joy, and fulfillment. Take a moment to observe the details of this scene. What colors do you see? What sounds do you hear? How does it feel to be in this place? As you breathe in, feel yourself becoming more connected to this vision. As you exhale, let go of any doubts or fears that may be holding you back. You are the creator of your reality. Imagine yourself taking confident steps forward into this landscape of your dreams. With each step, you feel more empowered, more aligned with your true purpose. Breathe in and feel the energy of success flowing through you. Breathe out and release any limiting beliefs about what you can achieve. You are worthy of all the good things you desire. You have the power to manifest your best life. Repeat these affirmations silently to yourself. I am capable of creating the life I envision. Success flows to me effortlessly. I trust in my ability to manifest my dreams. As you continue to breathe deeply, see yourself fully immersed in your ideal life. Let these vivid images anchor themselves in your mind and heart. Set a clear intention for one action you will take today to move closer to this vision. Breathe in, affirming your commitment to this action. Breathe out, releasing any hesitation or doubt. Feel gratitude for all that you already have in your life. Recognize the abundance that surrounds you right now. You are capable of creating positive change in your life. Imagine a protective bubble of golden light surrounding you, filled with the energy of this meditation. This bubble will stay with you throughout your day, reminding you of your infinite potential. Begin to bring your awareness back to your physical body. Wiggle your fingers and toes, gently awakening your body. Take a deep breath in, feeling renewed energy flowing through you. As you exhale, carry the peace and power of this meditation with you. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes, returning to the present moment. Remember, you can return to this state of calm and empowerment anytime you need. Save this video and make it part of your daily routine by rewatching it every day and practicing this meditation. You'll be building a powerful habit. This habit will align your mindset with abundance, empowerment, and limitless potential. Each session strengthens your ability to attract prosperity and shape your ideal reality, creating an unstoppable momentum towards achieving your dreams. Remember, consistency is key to success. Start each day by affirming your worth and setting your intentions. You are deserving of love, peace, and all the good things you envision. Thank you for allowing me to join you on this journey. Stay well